Kabir Malhotra had always believed that passion was the only honest way to live, and anything less felt like a quiet betrayal of himself. From an early age, he recognized how easily people surrendered to routine, choosing comfort over curiosity and safety over intensity, and he feared that gradual dulling more than outright failure. Architecture became his language, a means to translate feelings he neither voiced nor fully understood. He created spaces with intention, forms meant to breathe and carry meaning, rejecting the idea of buildings as mere functional shells. His days dissolved into long nights of site visits, client conflicts, revisions, and tireless sketching beneath dim lights. Meals were forgotten, calls left unanswered, celebrations endlessly deferred. Discipline shaped his identity yet slowly drained him. Colleagues respected his precision and uncompromising standards, but found him distant beyond work, confusing restraint with pride. Kabir lived alone by choice, believing solitude sharpened clarity and safeguarded ambition. He assumed emotional ties blurred focus and weakened resolve, pulling him away from the work that anchored his sense of self. Even so, success felt incomplete. Recognition came, applause followed, yet satisfaction slipped away before it could settle. At night, silence filled his apartment, dense and unavoidable, pressing in without comfort. He muted it with deadlines and relentless motion, unwilling to confront the ache beneath his routines. He convinced himself fulfillment lay in mastery and permanence, in leaving behind something lasting and admired. Still, with each finished project, restlessness resurfaced, quietly suggesting that accomplishment without connection lacked substance. Kabir dismissed the thought, tightening control, confusing endurance with fulfillment, activity with purpose, and discipline with peace, unaware that the emptiness within him was not disappearing, only deepening, waiting patiently to be acknowledged.